It'll take you to this website where you can scroll and learn a little bit about it, but let's click Let's Go. Here you can sign up with one of these options, or you can go ahead and choose email. Click I agree, sign up, answer these questions. Usually I'll go ahead and select Other. Currently, I'm probably in this range here, and I'm not sure what I want to sell yet, but I'll go ahead and just say, I don't know yet. And just like that, you have started your store. It will send you an email to go ahead and confirm. This will help you kind of validate your account and make sure you have everything you need to have. If you go ahead then and just click this X up here, you can go ahead and confirm that in just a moment. But now you're here on your dashboard and you can go ahead and get started by designing your first product, connecting your store, which we'll cover in another video, adding products to your store, which will be in that video, setting up your billing and ordering samples. So they make it incredibly easy for you to start and run your school store all online for free. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.